Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create rare and zip archives on UleFone Armor 17 Pro. And to do this you will need to get the rare app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's open the app. Right here find the file that you want to extract, pack, so it's right here for me. Select each of these files, then click on this plus button. You will enter archiving options. You can customize them however you like. I'm gonna leave it as a default as it's also fine to do it this way. Then click on OK, and right here we just made our first rare file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.